Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make this beautiful spiral rose earring. For this earring, we'll need cotton metallic thread number 20 pink and green color, 0.5 mm crochet hook, earring stud base, earring push lock, crystal beads, small silver beads, fabric glue, sewing thread, sewing needle and thread cutter. Firstly, start with pink thread and make a magic ring. Now 7 single crochet into magic ring. Pull the thread and make a tight circle. Now we'll continue with back loops for second round. Increase single crochet for 7 times. We will make total 14 single crochet for this round. Now 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Next, chain 1 and turn the circle back. Continue crochet with back loops and make a slip stitch. One single crochet and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Next, increase half double crochet for 3 times. Next, 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now 1 half double crochet in the next stitch and chain 1 and make a picot stitch in the same stitch. One decrease single crochet in the same stitch. 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Next, increase half double crochet for 3 times. continue crochet with front loops of first round. We will crochet, increase half double crochet for 7 times of front loops. Next, make chain 3 and cut the thread, leaving it few inches long. For earring back, we will make a magic ring with pink thread and chain 3. Now I will make 12 double crochet into this magic ring. Pull the magic ring thread and make a tight circle. Now make a slip stitch on third chain of chain 3 and cut the thread. Now pull the thread back side of the circle and cut the extra thread. Now we will make leaves. Make a slip knot with green thread and make chain 7. Second chain from the hook, make a slip stitch. Now continue half double crochet, double crochet for 2 times, half double crochet and slip stitch. First small leaf is completed. Now we'll make big leaf. For this leaf we'll make chain 8, continue slip stitch, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, slip stitch. Now we'll make third leaf same as first small leaf. Chain 7, slip stitch, half double crochet, double crochet for 2 times, half double crochet, and slip stitch. Again make a slip stitch, center of the leaf, now make a slip knot and cut the thread. Now secure the thread. Now we will assemble all the parts using needle, thread and fabric glue. Now the beautiful earring is ready. If you like this video, press the like button and do subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take care.